This is a walkthrough our EAL for Adults learning module. It was created in eTech 510 as an example of a blended learning environment. Since you are unable to explore it on your own due to password restrictions, I've created a video to demonstrate some of the nuances of creating, teaching, and learning in an EAL for Adults learning module. Here I want to start with the build view. So if you look on the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a menu bar. Course content is the beginning. This is where we're starting. And here's our splash page and a welcome sort of page. Here you will see on the left-hand side again, announcements, assessments, discussions, learning modules, and web links. You'll notice that some of them have a capital H in brackets. This means they're hidden. It means the students won't see them. So I'm going to start with just showing you the learning modules. And this is what you'll see when you're in the build view. So we worked on the shopping part. So here's an example of what it looks like in the build view when you've actually created different activities. So I want to preview this just to give you an idea of what it will look like when a student is looking at it. So when we're editing, we can look at this and just check to see if it's correct or not. Most of the time when you're editing, it's in edit properties, and here you have the information of how to edit. So this is a really quick overview of what it's like in the build view. So last time we talked about the build view. Now I want to show you the student view. It's a little bit different. Levels 2 and 3, things are simple. It makes it easier for the students to understand. If students don't know what to do, they can. As you'll see on the left-hand side of your screen, there are only two things in the menu bar. So course content, which is this splash page, and learning modules. First, I want to show you the help button. Since it is click help, and it tells them exactly where to go. Learning modules. So let's click on learning modules. Let's see what the students will see. So they will see here that they have one learning module with A, E, and C, D, and B. We actually worked on shopping. So let's take a look at shopping. And this is what a student is going to see. Our first day of shopping. So this is the actual activities in Vista. To view them all, you can click the next button. Here is Tar Heel Reader Book. They can read a book on shopping. And this was created by Vicky, one of my group members. Take a look at some of the other things. Videos, we've embedded videos. Flashcards. So as you can see, there are many activities. If you look closer to the left-hand side again, you'll see all of the activities here. I want to show you a few that I was personally working on. Brainstorming. So here is a place where students can brainstorm and then use a particular web affordance. So it ties in with the computer and life skills. So shopping is the life skills, and this is part of the computer skills. So not only can the students listen, but they can also read the information. The next one, making a conversation. So we want to get the students to be able to talk to each other about talking to a cashier. Next one, it's a place where students can record their voice. This is one of the great things about having part of this module online. And here you can see I've recorded something already. The next part is students can make a movie. They can go to Extra Normal and make a movie with a partner. Again, they can use the affordances of the web as well as learning English at the same time. I'll show you a couple more. This is a field trip. I want my students to reflect on what they learned in the field trip, because in this module we actually take them to the grocery store. And then the discussion. This is one of the great things in Vista where you can do discussion, so students can create a message and write something about their experiences shopping. So this is a quick overview of some of the things that we have created in this workshop. And now I want to show you a few things that teachers will see. This is, again, the splash page. As you notice, there are the hidden things here. You can go to announcements, no announcements, assessments. This is something interesting. So these are the assessments that we've created in our shopping learning module. So you can take a look at these assessments, go to the assessment, and nobody has done these yet. Back to assessments. Let's look at a couple more. Duration, it tells you some information about the assessments, 1 hour. View submissions. Attempts that have been graded, none. Okay. Discussions. In the student view, these discussions are embedded in the learning modules, so it makes it easier for students. They don't have to go back and forth. But in the teacher view, we can see these. And here you can see there's 4 new messages for food flashcards. Let's just take a look. Okay, teacher flashcards by demo student. Okay, here are my flashcards. Click on the blue words. The teachers can take a look at the discussions here, but the students will find the discussions in the learning modules. So for example, shopping, this is where the students will see the discussion. And I hope you enjoyed this presentation.